Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So if you guys just got your new Galaxy Watch 7, so here are some of the 7 features that you can try out on your new watch. So now let's start off with the first feature. So for this feature you will have to go into your settings, and from here you will have to tap on this buttons and gestures. So you can remap your buttons of the home button. If you will double press, you can change it to the different activities. Like you can get an access to the My Exercise, alarm, or further applications. As you can see now, if I double tap, I can get an access to the alarm. You can also change the press and hold by changing the Bixby into an Google Assistant. And now let's talk about the next feature. So as you can see on your tiles, if you swipe right or left, it changes only one tile. But if you will fastly swipe it on the left or right, it will skip the 3 slides. It will skip 3 or 2 slides and it will quickly take you for the required tile. And now let's move on to the next thing that is available in the Galaxy Watch 7. So now you can also rearrange your apps. You can rearrange the apps in order that you use the most. You can also make the folder of the apps by simply long pressing and taking the app to the other app, and it will create a folder as you can see. You can also change the color of the folder as well. There are multiple color options to choose from. So this is how you can rearrange the apps or make folders on your watch. And now if we talk about the next feature, so for that you will have to go into your settings, and from here you will have to tap on advanced features. From here you just have to simply scroll down and tap on water lock. So if you're using your watch in water, you will have to turn on this water lock. This will prevent the accident touch on your watch. To exit it, you just have to simply long press and it will eject all the water as well. After that, you will have to shake your watch like this to clear all the water present in your watch. And now let's move on to the next feature. For that you will have to go into your settings again, then tap on button and gestures. Now you have to scroll down and tap on this double pinch and simply turn it on. So using this double pinch twice, you can answer calls, dismiss alerts, launch apps, control your music, and take photos. You can also try it by simply tapping on try it, and as you can see now I am trying this double pinch. So do check out this feature as well. And now let's move on to the next feature. For that you will have to go into your settings again. Now you have to scroll down and tap on security and privacy. From here you can apply a lock on your watch like a pattern or pin. So if you're someone who want to apply a lock on their watch, so this is how you can apply a pattern or pin on your watch. So now let's move on to the next feature. So as we know that previously the Galaxy Watch used to come with a physical rotating bezel. Now we have a touch bezel. So if you want to turn it on, you have to go into the general and tap on touch bezel and simply tap on turn it on. And you can also turn on the vibration feedback. And this is how you can use your touch bezel on your Galaxy Watch. And that's wrap for today's video. These were some of the features that you guys can try out on your Galaxy Watch 7. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.